How to cancel PureGym membership on app. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, you'll be needing your very own PureGym application installed in your device. Then tap open on it and make sure to log in into your PureGym app. Firstly, you need to navigate to the membership section. This might be under the main menu or settings, but the exact location can vary according to your application version. Then you need to select on the Manage option in the Your Gym Pass section. Then select on Freeze or Cancel your membership. The app will likely ask you to confirm your cancellation and provide a reason for leaving. You might also need to enter other details as well. Finally, confirm the cancellation. Once you have cancelled it, make sure to cancel at least 4 working days before your next payment. This is to avoid being charged. Now, once your cancellation is successful, you will also receive an email regarding the confirmation of your membership cancel. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.